Welcome to the Plasticman Ltd, a sister concern of Chaity Group. With over 20 years of experience producing quality accessories and serving to the group's greater interest of being a successful vertical enterprise. We have now invested heavily with a state-of-the-art environment-friendly facility to cater the unending demands of our quality products to top retailers. The decision to begin with such a venture is due to the reason of stiff price competition and dwindling quality levels. All-over print. The all-over fabric printing facility develops discharge, reactive, disperse and pigment print for knit and woven fabric using the world's best brand new machines. The designs are developed and the screen is prepared for printing. The flatbed and rotary laser machine from Dawson exposes the design for new developments. The 10-color Ishino's flatbed machine from Japan and the 12-color rotary machine Zimmer from Austria has a capacity of 4 and 12 tons production capacity per day. The Loop Steamer MS from Italy fixes the color for reactive and discharge prints. Polybag. PP granules are fed into the tube making machine where the polytubes are produced. The printing machines prints up to maximum 4 colors. The cutting machines cut the polybags to its required sizes, after which the polybags are packed and dispatched. A similar process produces Ziploc 8-color polybag. The single-pack polytubes are made, then printed according to specifications and colors. The polytubes are laminated and slit. The inspection machine checks for defects. Zippers are made and then attached. We produce over 250,000 polybags and over 500,000 Ziploc polybags per day. The bags are cut as per sizes, after which hooks are attached. The bags are quality checked and dispatched. Printed labels. Over 5 lakh pieces of quality printed labels are produced from design development to sampling through to finished labels. The Flexo-label printing machine prints and develops quality labels. The curing machine resets the printed labels. The cutting and folding machines finish the final process of label making, after which the labels are packed and dispatched to customers. Elastic. We manufacture quality woven elastic, jacquard elastic and crochet elastic with brand new machines and producing over 6.5 million yards of quality elastic a month in the width range of 3 mm to 80 mm. The design is first developed on the computer. The covering machine undertakes the task of covering the latex or spandex, after which the yarn warping machine wraps the elastic yarn on the beams. The machines are set up either for woven, jacquard or crochet production. A continuous dyeing process undertakes the task of dyeing the elastic to the required color. The calendaring machine dries and calendars the elastic. The finished elastic is then inspected by the quality control team. The festooning or rolling machine completes the finished elastic. The elastic is then packed and dispatched to customers. Offset printing. The design is set and developed on a high-definition computer by Apple. The Heidelberg CTP plate-making machine undertakes the task for forming the design on the die plates. The Heidelberg Polar 115 plane cutting machine cuts the paper into required sizes. The Heidelberg SX74 5-color printing and coating machine varnishes the printed board for a high-definition glazed or matte finished product. The Heidelberg Sorms bicolor printing machine and the Heidelberg SM52 prints in 2 colors. Foil printer is used for foil printing boards. The automatic die cutter cuts the board as per specifications. plant produces over 26 tons of printed material in the size range of 28 inches by 44 inches or 5 lakh pieces of photo boards and over 20 lakh pieces of hang tags, flyers and other paper items in a day. Embroidery. Over 17,000 pieces of using the world-famous high-end Tajima machines from Japan, consisting of 9 colors in 22 heads and 20 heads respectively. Hanger. Over 24,000 hangers per day are produced in our automatic plastic molding machines. Sewing thread. We produce over 10,000 cones of industrial sewing thread from polyester and filament yarn. Gum tape. 20,000 rolls of quality gum tapes are produced per day. Draw string twill tape. Over 60,000 yards of quality woven twill tape and over 100,000 yards of comprehensive range of polyester and cotton cords are produced per day. Sustainable development. The company pays special attention to sustainable development. Protection of the environment is a key component followed strictly by the company. A central biological ETP and a water treatment plant treat and clean the polluted water discharged from the production houses. A pond for harvesting rainwater, which is used for washing and other purposes, thereby saving over 50 million liters of groundwater every year. Exhaust from the gas generator will be used as a fuel for boilers that contribute almost 2 tons of steam. Energy-saving LED lights and maximum use of daylight contribute towards power conservation. Certifications. All the products manufactured are certified by OECOTEX Standard 100 Product Class 1. Future expansion plans. The company has laid out provisions for future expansions over the next 1 year's time. A yarn dyeing factory within the next 6 months with an average daily production capacity of 8 tons per day. A 32 apparel sewing lines from cut to finish within the next 8 months. And a fully automated carton factory with a production capacity of over 50,000 cartons per day. The board members of the group are Mrs. Rahmat Ara Begum, Chairman, Mr. Muhammad Abul Kalam, Managing Director, Mrs. Fahmida Shabnam Chaity, Director, Mr. Yasir Muhammad Faisal Ashik, Director. We thank you for being with us and giving us the honor for patiently watching our facility. We look forward to serving you better for a better tomorrow. Thank you.